I know. It's been a long time since I last posted. When was the last time I posted? Well, what can I say? I was just busy. As you can see, we jumped onto December now. It's Christmas soon. But hey, it's your boy, That Brown Boy, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for coming back and clicking on this video. For anyone who's new out there to my channel, please make sure you go down below, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so whenever I upload, you guys will be the first to be notified. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys a very easy recipe on French fries with only 2 spices added to it, which can be also called as masala chips. Before we get into this video, I want you guys to go down below, like this video, and also don't forget to share it. Enough of me talking and rambling, let's crack on with this video. First step, preheat the oven for 200 degrees. There you go. Second step, a baking tray and a baking paper. So one quick tip, you want your fries to be baked, not fried. Remember, baked, not fried. What happens if you fry is it's gonna be all soggy, but once you bake it, it's gonna be much more crispier and you will enjoy it to the fullest. Believe me. And if you don't believe me, well, try it for yourself. So right now I'm going to be showing you the best ever honey mustard mayonnaise sauce that could go really good with your French fries. It could be with anything basically. So what you do is you take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I think that should be it. The next thing you do is, I think, 1 tablespoon of mustard. That should be it. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Well, a little bit more. That's enough. And just mix it well. There you go, it's all done. So in goes into the oven. So we're gonna leave it for around 25 minutes or so on 200. So the minutes are up. Ooh, they're piping hot. Take them out. So there you go guys, I've taken it out onto a bowl. As you can see, as you can hear as well, how crispy that is. That's the reason why I told you guys, always bake it, never fry it. If you fry it, it's gonna be soggy. If you bake it, it's gonna be crispy. Pro tip. The 2 and only main spices that goes into the bowl of chips or French fries is, ta-da! Nando's peri peri salt. Yep. You sprinkle that on. And at the same time, toss it. I added some more as well, still. There you go, I think that's enough. Yep, that's perfectly beautiful. That's all coated. To make it even more tastier, we're gonna add chaat masala. Yes guys, this is the second main spices. This will bring out all the flavors. Trust me, try this. So there you go guys, as you can see, the masala chips. So there you go guys, as you can see how simple this recipe is. As I was telling you before with the crispiness, there you go, I'll taste test it for you. Tastes nice. You see how crispy that is? Let me try the sauce as well. Too good. Just look at how crispy they are. Listen to it. There you go. This is what I mean by bake your chips. Don't fry it. Make sure you guys follow this recipe and let me know how you like it. So that is it from me. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.